Just finishing off a time belt job on a 1.6 HDI. This engine is a very common engine. It's in Ford, Citroen, Peugeots and Volvos. And when fitting back the drive belt, this is the adjustment here for fitting it back on, and I'd always use this tool here, which many of you would have, the adjustable. I'd put it down on that like so, and I'd pull back. But I've just been given a tip by a work colleague which makes this job a lot easier, and I said I'd pass it on. So what it is on the 1/2-inch drive, very simply 15 socket, straight down, and it makes the job so much easier. Using this, you have to have it on perfectly or it has a high risk of slipping. Using this, you have much better grip and there's little or no risk of slipping. You need to do that before the engine mount is on, of course, but it's a fair bit of job, and I just thought a nice quick simple tip that would be useful if you're doing a time belt job and fitting the drive belt back in any of them 1.6 engine. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.